rescue pylon. Go ahead, Annalisa. Next slide, please. So MTA grads, like I said, they don't all become engineers. There are a lot of different types of engineering that most of them do, pursue, but they also pick up careers in finance, medicine, chemistry, and the sciences, chemistry, biology, physics, and even education. We send students to a lot of schools, MIT, Rensselaer Polytechnic, the Naval Academy, and the Coast Guard Academies. A lot of our students go up to Michigan Tech. In fact, they like our students so much that this year they created a $1,000 a year that you can renew for 4 years scholarships strictly for MTA grads who go right from MTA to Michigan Tech, because our students are so successful there at Michigan Tech. Adriana, I want to turn it back over to you so you can tell a little bit about where you're at now.
Yeah, thank you, Tim. So I actually ended up going to University of Michigan, and I think that going to MTA had a huge factor in getting in there, because seeing that you have, as I mentioned, the internship experience, so having some industry experience as well as having the opportunity to do a hands-on project, even if it's not in your discipline. So for example, I just graduated with my bachelor's in biomedical engineering, and most of the projects that we do, namely the robotics projects, are more mechanically inclined, but still seeing that you have that aptitude and that interest, and seeing that you worked with a group of 4 to 6 people on this project for 8 months and succeeded in that is something that is very advantageous for your college career. And I think MTA sets you up on a trajectory for success for whatever you are interested in, but particularly if you're interested in going into STEM or engineering. So yeah, I can't stress enough how important MTA was for both my technical background and getting into college, being successful in college. I have talked about the projects, the robotics projects that we did in interviews still to get me the internship that I had in college, and just the opportunities that MTA allows you to have really puts you on a trajectory for success. Back to you, Tim.
Thanks, Adriana. The projects are usually fun to watch, to watch the students kind of struggle with the problem solving and come up with great ideas. But that great idea may be buried underneath a whole bunch of kind of okay ideas. So watching the students dig through that is pretty cool to see.